Hi everyone, Audrey here, and welcome back to Wild Bush and Great. Today, I'd like you to join me on a ruffed grouse hunting trip that I've made recently. As I walk through the woods and discover the lands around me, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I learned along the way by experience or from other people as well. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.
And I missed one. You know, one thing about grouse hunting is you don't need to work with the wind, the sounds. You can be with a bunch of friends talking, and they'll be all around you, and you just need to train your eye to spot them. The challenge is actually spotting them, because usually spooking them is easy. They're too close. Like the grouse usually will try to stand still until danger has passed. But sometimes she gets spooked. It gets spooked. Just fly away. If you have a 22 like me right now, when it's flying, it's no good. If you have like a 410, 20 gauge, 12 gauge, yeah, you can take a shot. But the name of the game here is to spook it slightly so it doesn't completely fly off, but just enough that you actually see it, follow it a little bit, and then take a shot at it. That's my way of doing it, at least. And for example, sometime if I'm in a group of friends like this, I will usually hang in the back, maybe 5-6 meters behind my friend. The reason being is sometimes when they don't spook right away, they will let you pass. Like for example, I have my friend is 6 meters ahead of me. The grouse will see my friend, will stop and stand still. Sometimes, and that happens very often, as my friend is walking by and past it, then it will move, but this is where I see it because I'm behind, remember? And another tip is one guy walks in the path and the other guy walks into the wood, like maybe 20 feet away. And you two are going into the same direction, so this way you're covering a little bit more ground, and there are chances that your friend or you will spook one and they will go one or the other way, and increase your odds at harvesting.
I love small game huntings. It's something that is very something you can do socially with other people, or you can also do it solo. It's also a great type of a hunt to introduce new hunters, young people and people who never hunted in their life. The tool used for small game hunting, usually 410 or 22, are rifles that are easily handled by children or people who are feeling intimidated by rifles. Unlike big game hunting where the rifles are powerful, heavy recoils, shooting a 22 or a 410 or even a 20 gauge shotgun is what a lot of people find acceptable. And from this caliber, then they can build up confidence and shoot larger caliber later as they continue to hunt.
So the 22 I'm using here is just, it's my Ruger 1022. And I have a Simon scope that I got off Amazon very cheaply. I think it was less, I don't remember, but it was like maybe 30-40 bucks, something like that. The 339, and that thing shoots straight. This I can tell you. For the ammo, I'm using subsonic ammo from CCI. The reason for that is when I'm hunting ruffed grouse, I'm looking for headshots, and I will always err on the side of shooting too high and shooting too low, because putting a 22 in the chest of a chicken does a lot of damage. Yeah, you'd be surprised. Hence why I'm using subsonic, but also the subsonic doesn't make much noise, so even sometimes if I miss, the grouse will stay right where it is and just like wondering what just happened, and gives me a chance for a second shot. First one of the day. So usually you need to be careful, because when there's one, there could be a few others.
Usually when you see one, especially a male, the big chances are that there are a few others around, and you slow down, make sure you calm the area properly before moving to the your next location. So it bled a lot. I think I got it in the neck.
Beautiful male. Yeah, I got it right under the jawline. I don't think so. Oh. Yeah. This is a male. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, there's like a bug or something. He's running around. And that's the first one of the day. Beautiful. Here's the pinch it in the neck.
Morning hunts are probably the most prolific. So it's, I would say, average throughout the day. It peaks a little bit up at sundown, but the best is really in the morning, early morning. I also find that the birds are more active on sunny days. So overcast, yes, it's still okay. You can make your quota, but it's definitely harder during overcast or rainy day.
Very thick brush. I couldn't make the headshot, but I got the upper back, which is pretty good.
When you're looking for them deep in the wood, they will perch themselves on rocks or fallen logs, trying to catch some some sunlight. And during rainy days, you will find them under a pine tree. You know, they're trying to avoid the rain. And also, you know, again, during sunny day, you will find them a lot on gravel roads, where they will literally be on the roads eating tiny pebbles for their digestive system. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time, folks.